Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a little bit of a haul. These are items that I picked up in December, and initially I thought it wasn't a huge amount of product and I thought it wouldn't be anything you guys would like to see, but then I started to kind of organize my room and I'm like, no, you should show it. So that's what we're doing today. So I placed an order with Makeup Forever. They had an additional 10% off for Pro members in December, and I love their pencils. So I picked up, this one's a new one for me. It's called Up and Down Tan. It is just a really beautiful, it really looks like my lip color, just a little bit more of a, I don't even know, like a pinky red undertone. And then I picked up another Wherever Walnut. You guys know it's one of my favorites. I also picked up Completely Sepia. Again, these two are favorites of mine, a nude liner, and then I picked up this brown one, which is shade 610. I can't read the name of the actual pencil because there's the packaging is there, so I don't want to open it yet. Huda Beauty had a sale, and I picked up another banana bread powder, and I picked up one of her concealers. I already own this one. I really do like her concealer, and this is in Graham Cracker. I like her concealer because the actual applicator helps kind of with depuffing. It also has great coverage, and for me this shade has that peachy undertone that I really look for in a concealer. Her powder is amazing, guys, but if you're very sensitive to fragrance, I would steer away from it. For me, it's very like hit or miss. Like sometimes it'll be like overly fragrant, and then there are other moments where I can hardly detect it. But once it's on your face, you don't smell it anymore, but it can be a little intense. You've already seen these in some of my tutorials, but Hourglass came out with these palettes this year, and I absolutely fell in love with the packaging. And it was really the first palette that I looked at and thought, wow, that will actually work with my skin tone. The larger palette is one that I also felt like would work with my skin tone. I find myself reaching for the smaller one, but I do enjoy this one also. And I did pick up their lipstick for the holiday. I love this formulation. I have a few of them. This is At Dawn that's in here. It is just a beautiful nude. And then the other shade that comes with this packaging is At Dusk. And this one is just a beautiful berry red shade. So Sephora had their VIB sale in December where they gave you a certain amount towards your purchase, and I had $20. And I've always wanted to try the Jouer concealers, and I have never like actually purchased them. I don't know why. But the first shade I have here is Biscotti, which I think is the shade that I use most. I like to use, yeah, I think this is it. It's more of a peachy neutral shade, and you guys know I love me a good peach. And then I got Honey, which is really what kind of pushed me into trying this. Or, you know, yeah, definitely Biscotti is what I like to use. But that is Honey. I don't know, I'm looking at it. No, definitely Biscotti has more of a peachy undertone. Either way, they both have a slight peach undertone, and that's what I like. Honey has a little bit more of a yellow peach, but if you're like me and you like something that kind of corrects the darkness under your eyes, these two shades are great. From Sephora, I also got one of the NARS Audacious lipsticks, and I picked up the shade Rita. I have a few of their lipsticks, and this is not one that I own, but I couldn't pass up on the packaging. I really love the packaging, and let me show you guys what Rita looks like. Bam. She is beautiful and red. So Smashbox released some new cream shadows. They're called the Always On shadows. The packaging is the same for all of them, minus the color of the shade is actually visible at the top there. So I picked up, let me show you guys. This is Barista, which is this dark chocolate shade there. The next shade, that orangey brown shade, is Sienna. The shade that follows is Amber. And the final shade, which is almost not visible, it is Suede. So that's what they look like. These do not move. They really do stay in place. I think they would be beautiful as primers, or if you're somebody that just wants like a quick shadow look, these are not going to move on you guys, and they're fantastic. From Smashbox, I also picked up another concealer. This is their Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer, and the shade I use is Medium Cool Peach. This concealer is one of my favorite concealers. It gives you beautiful coverage. It sets. You don't need to set it. It's just a really great concealer, and I think it's a very underrated product. So I mentioned to you guys that my friend P had gifted me some of the Maybelline glosses, and I actually ended up picking up 2 more because I love them so much. I use them all the time. One is in my coat pocket. The other one I have in my purse. And then these are the 2 new ones. So I picked up the shade Silk, which is this really beautiful, creamy, pinky nude shade. And it leans more into like a brown pink. It's not like a bright pink or anything. And then Moon is just this really beautiful pink shade. It kind of reminds me of Fussy by Fenty, and I really love these glosses. So Charlotte Tilbury had a really good sale. It was basically you buy 1 palette and you would get another one free, and you guys have heard me say it a ton of times, but this was my favorite packaging for her holiday releases. Like, look at how stunning that is. The actual palette is beautiful too. I don't know why I never picked it up, but you have these beautiful nude shades that you can totally rock anytime, and then of course you have these like deeper topper shades. It is just such a beautiful palette, and I can't wait to use it. But I got a little secret for you guys. In this video, all you have to do is like this video, comment down below, and just tell me what your favorite makeup product was for 2020, and I will randomly select someone to win the second palette. I told you guys that I would be doing a giveaway once I hit 1,500 subscribers. I hit 1,500 subscribers, so expect some more giveaways to happen because I have things that I just need to send out and get out of this beauty room. So comment down below, let me know what your favorite 2020 beauty product was. Like this video, and make sure to leave your Instagram handle or a way for me to contact you. The last product I purchased that actually arrived today is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder Foundation. I am dying to try this out as my sole foundation. I do enjoy a powder foundation. This is what it looks like. So freaking cute. The only issue I have is that I tend to go through these products much faster than I would like an actual cream. I use more of the powder. I got my shade, which is 300, and as you guys know, it comes with a little puff, and then there's a reflector at the bottom that you can use to kind of touch up. But I think she did a beautiful job with her packaging, and as always, she just killed it. So I'm really excited to try this product, and I'll probably use it tomorrow. All right, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for your support, for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite beauty product was for 2020, and if you have a few, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for everything, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.